Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get Temu on a computer. So guys, in order for you to get Temu on your computer, you can click on my link down below in the description or comment section and instantly get a $100 coupon bundle. And guys, you can even get a 30% discount if you use my promo code down below. So now, first thing that you will do is simply open up your web browser into your device. So guys, first thing that you will do is open up a web browser and type in the URL temu.com. And from here, guys, this will be the homepage of Temu. And just simply click on sign in over here. So just simply provide your email, or you can continue with Google, Facebook, Apple, or into your Twitter account. So it will be depending on you. So I'm going to go for my Google. And once you are signed in, guys, just simply go ahead and click on the three dots over here and go to Save and Share and click on Install Page as App. And from here, just simply tap on Install. And guys, when we go to the desktop, as you can see, we will have the Temu app into our computer. And when we double click on it, it will redirect us to Temu. If this video was helpful, guys, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya!